Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here I have a variety of items that we're going to be using. We're actually going to be making table decor pieces. So guys, let's jump in. I went ahead and painted my little bottom. I'm actually going to be gluing it at the bottom of this glass globe. Okay guys, just let it sit a little bit, dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my rocks. Be careful about placing your rocks. You definitely don't want to shatter the globe. I'm going to go ahead and add one of my arrangements. Okay guys, it's ready for the setup. This is how it looks. Okay guys, this is our second project, another easy, simple project. I'm going to actually be using my pop dot tape, placing it around this foam disc. Now I'm going to remove the paper. And guys, this table mat is actually reversible. You can use either side. I'm going to use this side here. And all I'm going to do is just place my disc in the middle of the mat and just roll it. Now I'm going to be adding more pop dot tape, but I'm going to use a size down. I'm going to add it to the end of the table mat. The reason I didn't add this in the beginning is because I wanted to make sure I had my pop dot tape in my right area, because once this sticks, it is stuck. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove the paper. And all I'm going to do is just roll. Okay. Now you can take and lightly press it in so it sticks. This is how it looks. Make sure your seam is in the back, that way you can get a beautiful view. I'm gonna go ahead and add my pop lights. Okay guys, here's the night view. Here's a day view. Now you could trim the top off if you like. To hide that little border up at the top. It's up to you. Okay guys, our third project. This one here is a little complicated, but it is simple and easy. I'm going to be using some products that's kind of old that I didn't want to throw away. So guys, I went ahead and put a hole in this piece of wood. That way I had a thick base. And this frame here, as you can see, is a 4x6 and it is busted. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the glass from this photo frame. Okay, I went ahead and took the back off. And I'm going to be adding my chalk paper to it. And guys, I recommend if you're doing this project, make sure you purchase a piece of foam board or poster board. That way you can actually place it on before you add your chalk paper. That way you have a smooth face. As you can see, I'm adding it directly to the back of the photo. You're gonna see imperfections if you don't use a piece of foam board or poster board, and you'll see once I turn it around. I have 2 air bubbles from the hooks in the back. So as you can see, my frame here is cracked, but I want to see how I want to place this, and I think I'm gonna do a rectangular shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my beads. I have a total of 9. Even it up, make sure I leave at least probably ½ an inch at the bottom. That way I can place it on my base. And if your hole is not wide enough, just trim it. Okay, you want to go around it with more glue. So make sure you add this glue to each bead for more support. Okay, let's go ahead and touch this up with some hot glue to seal it. Let's remove this little flap. I'm going to just place it back in. I'm going to add my glue to the back. I'm going to cut me off a piece of pot dot tape. I'm going to place it to make sure it fits. Take our pot dot tape and just place it on the dowel here. And guys, I did go back and add hot glue around the top. I'm going to be painting the bottom base with this white acrylic paint. I'm going to leave the beads the natural color, but you can go in and paint your base before you start your project. I did not do this step by step, but I'm telling you how to. So if you want to make or create this project, okay guys, here's the finish. As you can see, the few imperfections. And like I said, you can always do it, use foam board or poster board. But guys, leave your comments below. If y'all enjoyed this video, like, comment, share. Also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a video. And as always, I'm wishing you all love, peace, and happiness. See you in the next one.